Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Today we will be taking a look at this USB-C 3.0 hub solution because they don't put ports on laptops anymore. The branding on it, I'm not going to even try to pronounce, and the company I'm working with to create this video name, also I'm not going to try to pronounce, but they are different, and that tells me most likely one company makes this USB hub and other companies buy, rebrand, and resell. But is it any good? It's cheap, and let's find out. This USB-C hub connects to your laptop via USB-C. On one side it has a full-size HDMI port that's capable of 4K 30 and 4 USB-C Type A ports with speeds up to 5 gigabytes per second. On the end here we have a VGA port which is capable of 1080 at 60 Hz. On the other side we have a full-size SD card reader, mini card reader, 3.5 headphone jack, USB 2, and USB-C charging port which is capable up to 80 watts. It has a metal chassis, a sturdy cord. What more can you ask for? My thoughts. I did have some issues with this hub. My laptop wasn't available for testing, so I used my desktop computer. It is a little bit long in the tooth with Thunderbolt 2 and USB-C 3.1. The issue that I was having is with the Thunderbolt. When I connected this USB hub to test the video out, it worked for a while and then it stopped. But I believe it was some software issues to blame. But everything else worked without any problems, I can tell. The USB 3A ports, I used 2 of these drives. I love these drives a lot. They're capable up to 480 megabytes per second. I had 2 of these in, and I reached those speeds simultaneously with both drives, so that was good. Also, I don't have any high-speed SD cards. I just don't use them. I have a Ninja 5 now. And for this USB-C charging port, I know it's capable of fast charging, but up to 80 watts, I cannot tell you. I don't have that device at this time. But other than that, this is a beautiful hub. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best believe I am a social guy.